over in Green Hills, water is still really rushing at this point. Let's get to Nikki McGee. She's in the Green Hills area right near the YMCA. So Nikki, give us an idea of what you're seeing there now.
Well, Nicole, we just got to this scene. We were told by someone from our last scene to come check this out. You can see right underneath this bridge, this is outside the Green Hills YMCA. This car is swept up under this bridge. Looks like it's been washed there, and you can see lots of damage to that windshield. Clearly really well beat up from all of this. Not exactly sure, the circumstances behind this or how long it's been there, but it kind of shows you the effects of this water and just how quickly Green Hills did get some flooding over here. Now, we did speak with one patron who went to the YMCA to come work out. Lots of folks actually here today trying to get their workouts in, but right now they do appear to be closed. There are some Surf Pro folks outside there. One customer said they went in and I guess the bottom level had some flooding to it. So if you are planning to work out, this may be one to avoid for today. But as you're getting through these floodwaters, things like that, you see how powerful these waters can be. So be very careful if you're traveling on any sort of roadway. And remember, turn around, don't drown. Reporting live in Green Hills, Nikki McGee, News 2.